How to customize notification categories on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to control which types of alerts you get from each app. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Notifications. From there, tap on App Notifications. At this point, select the app you want to customize, like Messages or Instagram. In the next step, you'll see a list of notification categories specific to that app, such as Messages, Reminders, or Account Activity. Following this, toggle off any category you don't want to receive alerts for. Once done, tap on any remaining category to customize it further, like changing its sound or importance level. From here, choose between urgent, high, or low, depending on how much you want that category to interrupt you. At this stage, repeat these steps for other apps whose notification categories you'd like to fine-tune. Keep in mind, not all apps break their notifications into categories. Some only offer a single on-off toggle for all alerts. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've adjusted the categories the way you want. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize notification categories on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.